Good morning. Well, by the time you're watching this, it'll be good evening in some places. We are out early. It's right at 7 a.m. and I'm taking Woo on a sniff walk. Now, what is a sniff walk? So it's very important that they get to just go for a walk where they kind of take the lead and she can sniff and stop as much as she wants. So that's what we're doing this morning. And sometimes she wants to walk and go, and sometimes she wants to stop and sniff. So we'll see what she wants to do this morning. There's a little dog barking in the yard over there. She's trying to... What's he saying? What's he saying? I need some roller skates. We saw a bunny back there, but I wasn't recording yet. It was just hopping around in somebody's yard. Who was that? Are you okay? She was looking at the birds over there, and all of a sudden she got scared for some reason. Look. Hey, we're in the middle of the road. I don't think you can sniff over here. Just sniffing the acorns? Are there squirrels here? I think there are squirrels here. We are over by the cemetery. And I thought this morning would be a good morning. It's still hot. It's August here in Florida, and the heat index yesterday was 101. And we haven't been on a walk in a while. And I go and walk all these other dogs. And I haven't been walking Woo because I don't get up early enough. And so this morning I was like, I'm going to get up and take her for a sniff walk. So it's really important. It's a sensory thing that we're doing this morning, that she can come out and somewhere besides her backyard and her surroundings and smell other smells. I will put a link in the descriptions about sniff walks and how it's beneficial to their brain and just keeping them busy. Now, when you have dogs with husky and hyperactive dogs that need exercise, they don't just need the physical exercise, they need the mental stimulation also. So it's important to have them do many different things, and that way you won't see any problems. Woo is not a chewer. She doesn't chew anything up. She doesn't go to the bathroom in the house. She really doesn't have any vices. per se. But we try to keep her active. I pay a lot of attention to her when I'm home. We go on walks. Well, not when it's hot. She just gets different forms of stimulation for her brain and her body activity. It's really important. So, oh, she sees a dog. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute, Lou. Come on. So she's seen a few dogs this morning. Bunnies, lizards, some squirrels, and those birds. So all her senses are working together this morning. And I got some exercise too. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button at any time. And I wish that I could tell you to comment, but our comments are turned off. I did not do that. My comments are turned off by YouTube, and I don't get a reason. They're just turned off. So I apologize for that, and I hope that they're turned on soon. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you may be. And Woo's gonna say, woo out.